Hi guys, in today's video I just want to show you how to open a forex broker trading account. So if you're new to forex trading and you don't know which broker you want to use, I highly suggest that you use FX Choice, the trader's wise choice. I have used FX Choice and so far so good. I love it. So I highly recommend them. If you are beginning, you don't know which broker you want to use, you can use FX Choice. So the first thing that you see when you come to FX Choice is this page, and they'll tell you the reason why you need to choose them, and I'll just read it for you. First, they have tight spread from 0.1 pips. And then the second one, they have minimum trade size of 0.01 lots. So that means if you have a small account, you can put your trade. They have leverage up to 1:1 to 200. They do CDFs in forex, crypto, indices, and spot metals. Rapid market execution, no conflicts of interest through NDD technology, competent and friendly client support, price improvement on all orders. So this is how the FX Choice looks like. If you're interested, you can click the link down below and it will bring you to this amazing website or this page. Also, the other thing that I love about FX, they have so many methods of payment, and all these are methods of payment that you can do or you can use when you're funding your account. So there's bank, there's Krill, there's Neteller, Visa, MasterCard, there's Bitcoin, and all these other things, payment methods that you can use. So the first thing that you need to do is to come here and register for an account, and yeah, that's so simple. So they'll just ask your names and everything, and then you need to fill your details. So this is what you do. You will fill in your name, just write your full name, you write your email, full name, email, and then a password, and then you can see here, I have read, understood, and accepted data protection notice. Then click next. After you click next, you will be told to confirm telephone, and then they'll send you a code on your phone, and then you put that code, and then the registration is completed. So because they have already created account, let us log in, and then I show you how to create the account. So after you have created the account, after you have put your email, your password, and everything, this is what you see. You have an option of opening a live account or a demo account. In this case, because I already have a live account, let us open a demo account. Then I can show you what happens on the demo account when we open. So let's open a demo account. So you click open demo account. That's the first thing you do. Then you'll be asked which account type you want. Do you want an MT4 Pro or MT4 Classic or MT5? We choose between Meta MT4 Pro or MT4 Classic. I already have a MT4 Classic, so just put MT4 Pro. And then it will ask you the currency, just put USD. Then leverage, just put the highest. Because this is a demo account, you want to practice, and this amount that you'll be asked, what amount do you want? You can put from $100 all the way to 5,000, even 100,000. It's all depend with how much you want to practice with. Remember, this is not real money. This it's just virtual money that you're practicing with. So, and then click open account. So when you open your account, they will give you login. This is your login, and then there is the password, and then there is all the server and everything, and then these details, the login and the password, is what you'll use to open your MT4 trader. on your phone. So let me show you how now to link this account with a MT4 trade so that you may be able to execute your trades even if you're doing practices. You go to Play Store and you just Google MT4. Just Google Meta. This is 514. So this is the app. You can now you just install this MT4, and then you install it. I've already installed it, so you just open. So this is how it looks like. I'll do a separate video just taking you through the MT4, what happens and everything. I show you everything about the app and everything. But in this video, I just want to show you how to link. I want to show you how to link your MT4 with the Forex broker account that you have just created. So you'll just come here on top and then say just manage account. When you say manage account, click this plus, that plus sign, then say login to an existing account. So we'll just type FX choice. You just type FX choice pro demo, that one. So it will ask us for login and password. So I'll just type the login. Remember, I got the login from the email, that I was given. So the login is sign in. So you can see when it has signed in, it will just bring a demo here. So already this account has been signed in, and then you can be able to see the balance. You can see the balance is $5,000, the one that you have chosen. So this is the account that you'll be practicing with. So you can come here and maybe take a trade, say new order, and then after you have analyzed where the price will come, and then you can say buy, and then now you'll have a pending order. So that's how you connect your Forex broker trading account to MT4. That's how you connect. So guys, I hope this was helpful. If you want to check FX choice, kindly click the link below, go sign up with them, practice with the demo account, and then when done, you can now open a live account. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.